you say Plumber Melbourne on that page, you are probably going to rank pretty well if you're a very, very good business with a lot of good reviews and citations that indicate that you are a plumber in Melbourne. So I see those two things as quite important. Behind that, foundational things like making sure your social media profiles are set up, citations are set up, and you're promoting the business more actively on platforms that are free. You can sign up to any of them. You don't have to put a lot of money behind them, but those signals just provide a lot more reference to Google. And you can see great effect just launching a really simple LinkedIn profile, hooking in some really good imagery into that should give you a little bit of traction. Stuart has been named the best agency in Australia, APAC, and globally 6 times. So if you want real SEO results with no BS, click the link in my bio.